The DSS, as we call it, is a simulation and optimization decision support tool. This tool has been designed in order to facilitate the design of resilience supply networks. Resilience has two acceptions: strategic resilience and operational resilience. Strategic resilience has to do with being able to generate new businesses, and operational resilience has to do with designing products, processes and supply network in order that they are very robust to different scenarios. External scenarios like demand scenarios, or internal scenarios like, for example, that something happens in my supply network, a facility goes down or whatever. As we know, human beings, we have a lot of facility in order to create links between concepts, but for us it's quite difficult to see the consequences of all those links, and more if these links involve delays, non-linear feedbacks and whatever. So this simulation tool and optimization tool allow decision makers to take decisions in a more rational way, instead of using only the intuition, trying to contrast their intuition with something that gives them more quantitative results. In this moment we have been using the DSS to respond problems related with what would happen if the demand pattern changes, how my supply network can respond, or for example, as we are working in the mass customization scenarios, in terms of the capital goods, there is one sector, the machine tool sector, that has a lot of specificities. And these are that, for example, they have very big machines. The delivery time is very, very long. The lead time to produce those machines is very, very long, but the market demands delivery time is very short. So in these sectors, they cannot operate as in other sectors with make to order, assembly to order, or make to stock. They invented something new that was a switch to order to it's order fulfillment strategy, and they invented it because they needed, and they had no name for that, and they did it in an intuitive manner. With this tool, we can test, for example, this order fulfillment special system and contrast it against other standards for different conditions, I mean demand scenarios or internal scenarios, and always identify which is the best option to do for certain conditions. So this tool is mainly devoted to solve this type of problems related with a new configuration of the supply network, new order fulfillment systems, and everything that has to do with the relationship between how to design the product, how to design the processes, how to design my supply network in order to respond the most efficiently in terms of cost and time to different demand scenarios that this network of enterprises have.